Gondor corn grits milling machine. Various types of grinding. Complete functions and easy operation. Particle size adjustable. High peeling rate, low damage rate. Wide range of applications. Hulling, grinding grits, flour millings. The best choice for industrial milling. Adjustable particle size and flexible operation. High crushing efficiency and low energy consumption. Fine and smooth powder. Finished product display. Fine work and guaranteed product quality.